Don't download MyFitnessPal Premium app before watching this. Before you download MyFitnessPal Premium, here's the reality most users miss. It's not just a food diary. Premium unlocks advanced nutrition tracking, macros analysis and personalized insights, but without consistent use, it won't improve results. Step 1. Set clear nutrition goals. Are you aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or balanced eating? Most people get this wrong by tracking without direction, making progress hard to measure. Step 2. Log everything accurately. MyFitnessPal relies on honest, detailed entries. The surprising truth is, skipping snacks or estimating portions skews data, reducing the app's effectiveness. Step 3. Use insights and analytics. Premium offers macro breakdowns, nutrient trends, and custom reports. Ignoring these features means missing opportunities to optimize meals. Step 4. Connect with fitness devices. Syncing with activity trackers provides a complete picture of calories burned and consumed. Users who don't integrate devices often miscalculate energy balance. Step 5. Review. Progress weekly. Adjust calorie targets, macros, and habits based on trends. Teams that skip reflection may plateau or feel demotivated. The upside: MyFitnessPal Premium, when used consistently, helps users understand nutrition patterns, make smarter food choices, and support long-term health and weight goals. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you commit to logging everything, using insights, syncing devices, and reviewing trends. For casual users, the free version may suffice. Subscribe for practical advice on getting real results from nutrition apps.